Instagram DM not opening today. So if you're trying to open up the DM section of your Instagram account but it's not working, it's stuck, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. It's super easy, but before we start the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the DM not opening on your Instagram account, the very first thing that you have to do is just need to get back from here, and from your phone homepage you just need to go ahead and open up the settings app. Open up the settings app from any phone that you're using. It can be Samsung, Vivo, Realme, or any other phone. You just need to go to the settings and then scroll down a little bit, and you'll get to see the option called apps. You just need to tap on apps here and then go and tap on manage apps. And inside the manage apps, you just need to search with the Instagram here. Go ahead and tap on the Instagram from the search result, and you just need to go ahead and tap on this clear data button at the bottom right here, and then tap on clear cache, the second option, and then tap on OK. Now once you're done with this, you just need to get back to the home page. This time you just need to go ahead and open up the Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Instagram in the search result. You just need to search with the Instagram and then tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. Or if you don't find an update, you just need to get back from here and then force close all the application from the background. And once you do that, you just need to go ahead and reopen the Instagram application. Now this time, go ahead and tap on the message section at the top right, and most likely it will have started working. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.